Yep.
Well, I got some.
You did? Did you play outside at all yesterday? You didn't go swimming? You want to go swimming this weekend? With Daddy? We're going to swim. Yeah, we're going to use a kickboard this weekend.
Well, I know how to kick.
Yeah, I'm going to show you even more.
Well, my mommy actually showed me.
In the water?
No.
I'm teaching you how to kick in the water.
No. Wait a minute. The one that has
Dolphins and ducks? Oh my.
Yeah. She was floating and she swam. She's got shrimp. She's got bunch of
But Daddy's got the best swimsuits for you, doesn't he? What color is your swimsuit? No, what color is swimsuit that Daddy's has?
I'm silly.
Yes, you are. You're the silliest little girl in the whole wide world.
He's got
He's got pink. 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 Okay, look, Gracie.
David's watching you.
Oh, I got a big secret for you. Guess what? I love you. You're with Daddy right now, so you can relax. You're okay. You're with Daddy. You're safe. Strawberries, $1.99.
Look at me.
Yes, I do. You're silly. You know what we're going to make next week, Gracie?
Yeah?
Strawberry pie. No, not strawberry, raspberry pie. Raspberry pie.
Well, I like strawberries.
You like strawberries now? Let's make a strawberry pie too. How come you like strawberries now?
I like them. I'm okay.
Oh, well, where are you eating strawberries at? You eat any of Daddy's strawberry pie? You did? That's alright, we're going to make raspberries this time. And one of these days, if Daddy can find rhubarb, I'll make rhubarb pie. I'm pretty sure Grandma Coon used a tapioca mix to make that rhubarb stay together. But I gotta find rhubarb. You're silly today. Are you silly today? Did you miss me at all? You haven't seen me for like 7 days. Did you miss me? Yucky. That's enough. Gracie, and that's enough, sweetheart.
Steve did it.
Oh, Steve did it.
Steve did it.
Careful, I'll put Steve in a kangaroo pouch, and I'll jump up and down and shake him up. Go in your room, we'll hurry up and get changed, and we'll get outside. How's that sound? Daddy will put his shorts on. And you want me to run next to you? Okay, I'll do that. Gracie, get your mouth off the seatbelt. What are you doing? You didn't get a nap today, did you? You didn't get a nap at all today, did you? You seem like you're on your last leg.
Well,
Want some of your water? Cold?
well, I got an owie.
Ow! How'd you get that owie?
We were doing the water garden outdoors, and I fell down, and I sprained myself.
not good. You okay?
I want that sign. Oh, what is that sign? Oh, Steve knocked me over.
Steve knocked you over.
Right or so?
You're just blaming everything on Steve. What about Joe? Did Joe do it?
Yeah.
I blame Joe. G.I. Joe.
I bet Aaron did it.
Bet Aaron did it? Aaron's not a very nice guy, is he? Aaron's a bad guy. Well, let's hurry up and get inside and get our clothes changed so we can go have some fun. Fun, 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 it was fun, fun, fun. Yay.
Why did you tie a tree down?
Well, we cut some branches off the tree.
Why?
So the tree looks nicer.
So we can see the sun?
Sure.